So I've soldered on the terminal for the battery for that, and I've got a little bit of heat shrink on there. But how am I going to heat shrink that in the shed? Well, I've also treated myself to this, which is an 18 volt hot air gun. I mean, can this really work? 18 volts to produce hot air. You've got a little deflector thing here so that it sort of heats it in both directions. Well, let's give it a go. And yeah, I think you can see from that that's actually shrunk quite well. So it does work. It took about 6 seconds, which is pretty reasonable. I bet it canes that battery. Of course, now that I've put that on, it won't go through that hole, will it? I can thread it from the other end, I suppose. So I'm just testing the speed controller, so I can preset that from a nice moderate speed up to a faster speed. Oh, that's flat out. Or a very low speed, which isn't going to do much. So let's give it some welly, and then I'll just leave that set to whatever I think is appropriate. And from the outside, that's not too offensive. I think that'll be tolerated. So it's sort of semi-temporarily connected up to the relay with wires running down to the batteries. They're not connected to the solar system yet, but I just wanted to try the well, it's the receiver really, isn't it? So let's press that, and yeah, the relay clicked in, and the fan is on at reduced speed courtesy of the speed controller. So yeah, that works. So I can turn that off, and I can turn it on remotely. Success!